Good morning, guys. My name is Akshat. Welcome back to another journey. Today is going to be something special because we are driving from Tremala to Airo and not just on the main highway. We're taking a secret mountain route. Right now, I'm sitting in the truck, engine is on, everything is ready. The weather looks perfect, clear sky, fresh air, just the kind of day every truck driver loves. So let's begin this journey. Engine sound, slow start. As we move forward, you can already feel the difference. European roads are just next level, smooth, wide, and very well managed. Driving here feels relaxing. No chaos, no unnecessary noise, just you, your truck, and the road. Now we're heading towards the famous Tremala Road. This road is known for its sharp turns and stone paths. It's not easy to drive here, you need full control and focus. One small mistake and things can get tricky. But at the same time, this is what makes it exciting. Look at this few mountains all around, clouds slowly moving, and the road winding like a snake. Honestly, moments like these make trucking feel more like an adventure than a job. Short pause. Now we are entering the more challenging part. The turns are getting tighter and the climb is a bit steep. I have to control the speed carefully, not too fast, not too slow. This is where real driving skills come in. But the best part? The peace. No traffic noise, no city rush, just the sound of the engine and the wind passing by. Now, instead of taking the regular route, we're going to switch to a secret way road. This road is less used, which means fewer vehicles and more natural beauty. As we enter this path, you can immediately see the difference. The road is narrower, surrounded by trees and hills. It feels like we're exploring something new. Driving here is honestly one of the best experiences in Europe. This is what I love about trucking here. It's not just about delivering cargo, it's about enjoying the journey. Soft tone, sometimes you just forget everything else and focus on the road ahead. Now we are getting closer to Airo. You can see the environment slowly changing, mountains are fading, and the road is becoming smoother again. A few buildings are starting to appear signs of city. After such a peaceful mountain drive, coming back to the city feels different. And just like that, we are almost at our destination. What a journey it was. From the challenging Tremala Road to the peaceful secret route, every moment was worth it. This is why I love truck driving in Europe. Beautiful roads, amazing views, and a peaceful experience. Alright guys, that's it for today's drive. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next trip. Until then, drive safe and enjoy the road. More viral.